Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is for telling about my free promotion offer for my Udemy course AI for beginners. Actually, I uploaded this course a few weeks back, and I created this course by putting a lot of effort for creating various videos. Okay, you can check them here. Okay, and apart from videos, I included ebooks also, a for beginner, that ebook, and RAG, retrieval augmented generation, that ebook also I have included in this course. Okay, and for that demo videos I included the coding file also. Okay, so I believe it will be really useful for learning AI for the beginners. Okay, initially I created videos only for beginners, then later on I added more videos that will be useful for advanced users also. For example, that RAG thing will be a very important one. Okay, and apart from that, I'm just working on to add more videos continuously. If you have any suggestions, just let me know, I will add that also. Okay, so I'm planning to keep it as a single source for learning anything about AI, and I am planning to keep it in a very simple way. Okay, so I'm explaining them with very simple examples. Okay, I hope it will be useful for everyone. Okay, for promoting this course, I am running this free option. Udemy is providing that thing. This coupon code is this one. Anyway, I will just include the link in the description of this video. You can just click the link and use that offer. But only thing is, this offer will end on March 16th, in 4 days. Okay, or it will be applicable for first 1,000 people only. So just make sure that you are using this offer very soon. Okay, because already actually I announced this offer a few hours back only, but already 260 students joined. Okay, and if I refresh it, maybe by this 2 minutes time, already 2 students joined to 62. Okay, so it's keep on increasing, so I believe it will reach the 1,000 students very soon. So if you want to use this opportunity, just click the link. Okay, I will be putting the link in the description. Click the link and start taking the course. Suppose if you are not having time to watch the videos, don't use this offer. Okay, instead just pass this to someone else who may be really wanted to have this course. Okay, and apart from these recorded courses, I'm planning to take one-on-one coaching also. If you are interested, you can contact me. And I already started taking webinars. Okay, that I will be announcing next webinar in few weeks. But by the meantime, if you want to learn AI personally, you can contact me for one-on-one coaching for affordable hourly charges. And if you have any questions, you can ask them through this course itself, or I'm having one subreddit, land rag and AI coaching, that things. I'll be mentioning them in separate video. Okay, so this video is for telling about this offer. Okay, so once after using the offer, you will be listed in that Udemy, right? So I'll be sending further details about how to learn further. Okay, so I'm just instead of just selling the course, I'm just planning to keep it as a central place for learning, like continuous learning. Okay, thanks, bye.